Did you know that one man's wisdom saved Christianity from being destroyed forever? Meet Gamaliel, one of the most respected teachers in all of Judaism. He was the grandson of the famous Rabbi Hillel, and even taught the Apostle Paul before Paul became a Christian. Picture this dramatic scene. Peter and John stood before the angry Sanhedrin court, facing death for preaching about Jesus rising from the dead. The religious leaders wanted them executed immediately, but then Gamaliel stood up and asked to speak privately with the council. What he said next changed everything. This wise teacher told them, if this plan is from men, it will fail on its own. But if it comes from God, you cannot stop it. You might even find yourselves fighting against God himself. His words were so powerful that the council released the apostles with just a warning. Some historians believe Gamaliel secretly believed in Jesus himself. Through his courage and wisdom, God used this unlikely protector to fulfill Jesus' promise that nothing would destroy his church.